So let's go to your profile on Opensea and click on the artwork that you need to transfer. Here you're going to go to the icon that's named transfer and add in their blockchain wallet address that the customer has provided. Click on transfer, making sure there are no errors in that address, there's no spaces, and it's only going to cost you a couple of dollars. As you saw there, it only cost me $1.30. Do not close this window, do not move somewhere else. Just make sure that this is as seamless and errorless as possible. And as you see right here, you can actually click on this transaction ID after completion to confirm on Etherscan that this has been moved. It'll give you all the data that you need to reassure you that this has been successfully transferred. So I'm going here into Etherscan and it's showing the transaction, its current status, and all of the details for that. If you go back to that artwork, the owner is named there. You can click on it and see in their profile, it is successfully added to their collection. And if you're new to this and still a little hesitant that you've done everything successfully, there are so many other ways to confirm the activity has been successfully conducted. You can go back into your profile, click on that artwork, or go to the navigation here under activity. And it is going to give you the options to look at the latest moves you've made with your NFTs. See right there, you've been able to successfully transfer that artwork from yourself to the new owner whose information is shown.